So I've done a thing. In fact, I've done a couple of things this last month. Um, and the biggest one really is I decided that I couldn't sit back anymore. I think you probably all understand what I mean by this, in that there's so much shit going on in the world, it can be overwhelming. And something that has been bothering me for nearly 4 years now is what's been going on in Ukraine. I watch a lot of videos from there, um, mostly because I'm interested in the military side of things. And so I have decided to volunteer to raise money to purchase a pickup, drive it from the UK all the way over to Ukraine, and donate it to a local group for distribution to people that need them. So they'll be used for taking supplies, evacuating people, all that kind of stuff. I'm also, aside from the money I'm trying to raise, trying to get hold of kit that I can put in the back of the truck in order to maximize the effort that I'm putting into this and make the most of driving a truck over. I might as well have it filled with things. So I'm reaching out to various different companies for clothing, sleeping bags, roll mats, tires, dog and cat food in the form of kibble, all that kind of stuff. But if you want to help me, that would be great. If you want to donate £1, £2, $1, €1, a rupee, it doesn't really matter. I'll be putting a link into the video. But I just thought I'd kind of make this recording because obviously I've made the decision to do it. I'm going to put up a charity page so that people can give. And we're going to see how it goes.